Assalamu alaikum. I'm Arfa Akhlaq and welcome to Fried and Tasted. All the recipes here are tried and tested. So there is no one who does not like Kadhai Paneer. In fact, it is one of those recipes that I end up buying in the restaurant most of the time. So let's see how to make this restaurant style Kadhai Paneer right at your home. And if you like this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up and pour in your love through beautiful comments. So I'll roughly go through the ingredients now. You can find all the exact measurements in the description box below. So here we have some homemade paneer, which we'll talk about it later in this video. And for the gravy, I have some chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, ginger julienne, like I've cut it into thin slices like that. Then I have some chopped garlic, chopped green chilies, and then here I have some square cut veggies, and I am using some onion, some red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper. And then for the spices, I have some red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder. And then here I have a cashew paste. I have just soaked these cashews for like 30 minutes and then blended it with a little bit water. Then I have some cream, pinch salt according to taste. And then here I have a store-bought canned tomato. If you have been watching my videos, you know how much I love using them because they make the gravy really good and nice. And then here I have some Kasoori methi, and that's it. For garnishing, you can also use some coriander leaves along with some butter. Now let's get into the cooking.
In a bowl, take some oil on medium flame, and when it is hot, just simply add the ginger juliennes along with chopped garlic and green chili. You might be tempted to use ginger and garlic paste, but trust me, it really enhances the flavor to use the juliennes and the chopped garlic in it. After sauteing it for a minute, I have added some chopped onion along with chopped tomatoes and sauteed it again for 2 more minutes. Once they are soft and mushy, I'm also adding all the colored bell peppers along with sliced onions, and this time again I'll not saute it for more than 2 minutes because I still want to retain the crunchiness of these vegetables. Now I'm adding the dry powder, which includes turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, and of course the most important, salt. Just give it a nice mix for maybe a minute or 2, and then I'm adding this concentrated tomato paste. By now you must know that I'm a big fan of using this tomato paste. I'm also adding the cashew nut paste along with the tomato paste itself. Mix it for 1 minute and then add water. Cover the lid and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's see what we have to do with the paneer. So like I mentioned before, this is homemade paneer, and if you are really interested in knowing how to make these amazing paneer at home, make sure you comment below and let me know about this. Trust me, this paneer making technique is very easy and it's so much better than the store-bought ones. Let me just mash a cube of paneer to show you how smooth and creamy it is from inside. It is definitely worth the effort. So now let's get back to the stove, and it's been 3 to 4 minutes. Everything looks well cooked. And now I'm adding this crushed Kasoori methi in it. By crushing it between the palm, the flavor of Kasoori methi comes out better in the gravy. Now I'm adding cream, which is completely optional. You can also add milk while preparing the gravy itself. Finally, I'm tossing these paneer cubes in it. And yes, we are almost there. It's almost ready. Just combine everything, cover the lid and let it cook once again for the last 3 to 4 minutes. And yes, our Kadhai Paneer is ready. Yeah, it's as simple as this, and trust me, this is one of my favorite. Just garnish it with some chopped cilantro or butter cubes if you prefer. And I love to have this Kadhai Paneer with naan. You can find the recipe to make naan either in oven, iron skillet or non-stick tawa, all of it on my channel, so make sure you look for it and have a great day and subscribe if you haven't yet.
Hey, subscribe to my channel by pressing the circle below with my face on it, or also the red button that says subscribe. While subscribing, also press the bell icon so that you are updated whenever I upload a new video. Stay out of trouble and look for more videos right here.